I'm having two things, 3D systems and shop. So I would be writing 3dsystems.com, and in a span tag I would be also adding shop because it is there, and I would be giving this class called shop and header top and shop. So our header top section is done. Now let us move to our next section. So what I would be doing is I would be creating another div, that is this one. So this is one column, this is another column. So since this customer support center, the standard search icon and this login, these are in a next row. So I have to go this way, and again I would be making use of SLDS grids only. So I would be just copying it from the top and pasting in here. So just closing for your reference that my part 1 is done, and in the part 2 what I would be doing is SLDS grid, and if we see it's divided into 3 parts. So let us say we would be dividing all these into 4 of 12, 4 of 12, 4 of 12, and I would be writing p tag, so customer support center. So I'm giving this a class by the name support label. Okay, and 4 of 12, the other is also 4 of 12, and in here I would be dragging my standard SLDS search. So I would be doing exclamation mark v dot search. So where this search is coming from is I have created an attribute by the name search, which I am using in here. Another, I have to use 4 of 12, so I would be using v dot search and a login icon. Okay, or enclosing within a p tag login. Okay, and I guess this is also caps, so we could handle it via CSS login. So our second part is also done. So let us see how it is looking up till now. So I'm just refreshing this, and what it is looking at, see 3D systems, this search bar is there, the login, and the third icon it is left. So in our next part we would be just making use of our standard functionality, that is v dot nav bar, and nav bar I have defined above. So refreshing this, so our nav bar is also there, search and other things are also there. So now what needs to be done is we need to give the color and other properties, but after this we need to have a footer and also a body. So what I would be doing is this is your SLDS column for the second row, and this is for your third row. So this is it. Now we would be creating a div class is equal to SLDS column, and in here you would be just using $v exclamation v dot body. So this body is your standard one, so I haven't defined it anywhere in the top. So but if you see, you would it would look as like this. So your body is also appeared, and we just need one thing, that is the footer. So v dot sidebar footer that I have created in here. So my all 4 regions are covered out of it. There is also a region for my hero section, so we could also have a hero section. So above the body I would be having a hero section, and in here I could just add a comment for now, that is hero section. So this is it, and when I refresh this, it comes like this. And in my experience builder, how it looks is, let me show you. See, back to builder. So this is my welcome headline. If I remove this, and so this is my content header, and this is my sidebar footer that I have created, and all those things are coming from here. And hero section, haven't created any component for this, so that's why it is displaying blank. So what I would be doing is, I would be adding an aura attribute. Name should be hero section, and type would be aura. Component just having this, and I want to just make you guys understand that how it looks. So this is your content header and the other things. Okay, so it appeared in here like this. And now what you would be doing is, you have to make use of this in here. Okay, let me show you that how it would look like. See, okay, refreshing this. I guess there is I have to refresh my cache, but yeah, it would look like your content header only. So that is in here, and you could drag drop things in that part. Okay, so for now this could be ignored. We'll see to it in later, that how we would be working on this also. So now moving further is, I have to give the coloring of things. So these three are of different colors, so I'm having a icon or my Chrome extension by the name color picker. So you could have this, and in my header top, go to style, and you could make use of the properties. So what you would be doing is dot header top, or what you could do is like there are two ways to do this thing. One in the style resource, or other in this only, by defining something aura HTML tag is equal to style. Okay, and this, and in here also you could write header top, and see, let me show you, that is background color is what is my background color? 323232. And just remove this, save this, and magic happens. So this comes up, and the color for this is F0 F0 F0. Yeah, so what I would be making use of our HTML tag style. So what I would be doing is 3D systems, let me give it a p tag, and heading. So what I would be doing is header top dot heading, same no, it's the color, not the background color. So hash F2, 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 and font size I would be setting up to 20 pixels, and I guess this is it. Just refreshing the things. So see, our 3D systems is coming up, and what I want is I want this 3D systems and this shop icon also, right? So the shop icon color is 92C2F. So I was having a property by the name shop. So this is in here, and the color is this one, and the font size is I'm setting to 1 rem, that is 16 pixels, and 3D systems subheading, so span class is subhead, and in my subhead I would be writing font size 1.1213 rem, color I guess it's white only. No, it's different color I guess. Yeah, let's try out. And font weight I'm setting it to 800, and let's save it and refreshing our page. So yeah, it looks pretty good and neat. See, 3dsystems.com and shop. We would be adding some spaces in between later. Next I would be working on my customer support center.